Okay, guys, again, we'll continue our lesson, guys, compare customer units. I'll open my camera, just give me 1 second. 1 second, okay. Tamim, do you hear me very well and see the board very well?
Yes, Mr.
Good boy. Now, guys, yesterday we talked about this table. We said this column here is the larger and here it's the smaller. Means the feet is larger than the inch, the yard is larger than the feet, and go on. And yesterday we said if you want to turn from larger to smaller, we do multiply. We do multiply. And today we will do the opposite. We will turn from smaller to larger. From smaller to larger. Now, from smaller to larger, guys, from smaller to larger. Yesterday, from larger to smaller, we did multiplication. Today, we will divide. We will divide. So, for example, here, guys, if I want to turn 24 feet to be in yards, 24 feet to be in yards. Now, I will go here in my table, guys, and search about direct relationship between feet and yard, which is here. I will turn from feet to yard, from smaller to larger. We will divide on 3. We will divide on 3. So here, 24 divided by 3 is 8 yard. So 24 feet, we will turn it to yard. Now the feet to yard means from smaller to larger, we divide, guys. We divide. So here I divide the 24 on the 3 in the direct relationship between feet and yard, and the answer will be 8. So 24 feet is 8 yards. For example, if I want to turn from pounds to tons, from pounds to tons, here we have direct relationship between tons and pound. I will turn from pound to ton, from the smaller to the larger. So I will divide on 2,000. I will divide on 2,000. So 8,000 divided by 2,000, this is equal 4. So 8,000, guys, pound is 4 tons. For example, here, if I want to turn from pence to quarters, pence to quarters. Here, I have direct relationship between pence and the quarter. I'll go from pence to quarter, not from a quarter to pence. From pence to quarter. If I want to go from a quarter to pence, yesterday we said we multiply. But today we will divide from pence, the smaller, to the quarter, the larger. Here the larger and here the smaller. So we will divide on 2. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. So 12 pence is equal to 6 quarters. 12 pence is equal to 6 quarters. Now, yesterday I gave you a homework. And I sent you the corrections, guys. Hope you checked them all. I'll do for you question 3. Question 3. Okay. Let's do the question 3 because I received some questions from them. Tamim, can you read? No, question.
Yes, Mr. Can read.
Wait, Billah. Question 2, sorry. Question 2. Tamim, read question 2 in the homework.
A class walked 2.5 miles for a walk. At dawn, how many yards did the class walk?
Good. So 2.5 miles, guys. 2.5 miles. I want to turn the 2.5 miles into what? Into yards. How many yards? So I will turn the 2.5 miles into yards. Again, this is a question 2 in the homework, guys. I received some questions about it. Now, let's search about a direct relationship between miles and yard here in our table. Now, where's the mile? Here is the mile, and here is the yard. There is no direct relationship between miles and yards. But I can turn the miles into feet. Then the feet into yard. Look here, guys. I want to turn from miles to yard. Look at the table. I want to turn from miles to yard. Now here, I cannot turn from miles to yard direct. So I will turn the miles to feet. then the feet to be what? Yards. So first, I'll go from miles to feet, from miles to feet. Now let's do 2.5, from miles to feet, from larger to smaller, we multiply by this number, 2.5 multiplied by this number, 5280, 5280. طبعا in grade 5 we took how we multiply with decimal. If we have decimal, if you remember, we multiply without decimal, then we count digits, then we put our decimal. We took this in grade 5. So 2.5 multiply 5280, this will be, just give me a second to calculate it. Give me a second, please. 5280. This will be 13,200. 13,200. Okay, guys? This will be 13,200. Now, 13,200 what? I turn from miles to feet, so it is feet. Now, I have the feet. I can turn from feet to yard, from smaller to larger. From smaller to larger, we divide. We said that. From smaller to larger, wait, Ammar. From smaller to larger, we divide. So now, we don't multiply by 3, we divide by 3, because I want to turn from feet to yard, because the question wants the answer in yards. So I will turn this number into yards by dividing with 3. So I will divide 13,200 divided by 3. This is equal, I will make long division, 13,200 divided by 3. 3 by 1 is 4, 4 by 3, 12, subtract 1, then 2, then 4, 4 by 3, 12, subtract, then these two zeros, guys, we put them in the quotients. So the answer, 4,400 what now? Yards. So my answer, 4,400. This is a question 2. In question 2, guys, first we multiply, then we divide. First, I turn the miles into feet, so I multiply. Then I turn the feet into miles, so I divide. When I know if I want to multiply or divide, if I want to go from the larger to the smaller, I multiply. From smaller to larger, I divide. Okay, now I have hands here. Okay, Ammar.
Sir, I don't understand.
طيب Ammar, read the question. Question 2.
The class worked 2.5 miles per hour at home. How many yards did the class work?
How many what?
Yards.
So what I want to do in this question, look at the board. I want to turn the miles to be what?
Yards.
Good. This is the question, right?
Yes.
Now, come to the table. Do I have a direct relationship between miles and yard?
No.
No. I have miles to feet, right?
Yeah.
Then feet to what?
Yards.
Now, to turn from miles to feet, from larger to smaller, what I will do?
Multiply.
Multiply with this number, right?
Yes.
That's what I did here. The first step. See it?
Yeah.
So this is the answer, which is feet now, right?
Yeah.
Now I want to turn the feet to what?
Yards.
Stop. How I turn from smaller to larger? What we will do?
By
Multiply or divide? By dividing
by
on
divide.
what?
3.
See, I took this answer, I divided by what?
3.
To be?
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes.
Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Good. Fine. Else? Hussein. Remove your hand, Ammar. Thank you. Hussein.
Mister, I don't understand.
Which one, you mister?
Question number 2.
Question number 2. Read it. Read the question, mister. Read the question in your book, not in the screen.
Page what, Mister?
Mister, you don't know which page. Our homework. Focus, Habibi, focus. Open the homework, yalla quickly.
Hello?
Hussein. Hussein. Hello?
Maybe he's not listening to you.
La ilaha illallah.
Get out of the meeting. His mic.
Where is he gone, guys? Where is he? Oh my God. Hussein, where is he, guys? Where is him? Where? I cannot find him.
So he gets out of the
Adnan.
meeting.
It's weird. Adnan.
Mister, I
Adnan.
solved it like your way.
What?
I solved number 2 like your way yesterday.
Good. Do you get the answer, the same answer?
Yes,
Excellent boy.
4,400.
Excellent boy. Excellent boy. Thank you. Else, guys. Good. This is question 2, guys. Now question 1 and 3 and 4, we do the same idea of yesterday, right? They were easy, right, guys? Now let's do question example 2 in your book, guys. Let's go to example 2 in your book. I want someone to read example 2 in your book, guys. Yalla ya Ammar, read.
Can I read?
Yalla Ammar, yeah. I don't know, let me just check the page, guys, of example 2. We are on page 52. Yalla, read.
A male hippopotamus can weigh as much as 9,920 pounds.
Again, Bala ya Ammar, and make your voice clear, please.
A male hippopotamus can weigh as much as 9,920 pounds.
Good. I have 9,920 pounds. LB means pounds. Continue. مالهم هدول؟
How much is the weight in tons?
In tons. I want to turn the pounds to be what, guys?
Tons.
To be tons. Right. I will go where? To my table. Do I have direct relationship between ton and pounds? Yes, I have. 1 ton equal 2,000 pounds. Now I want to turn from pounds to tons, not from tons to pounds like yesterday. Today I'll go from the smaller to the larger. Yesterday we did larger to smaller. We said we multiply, but from smaller to larger we what, guys?
Divide.
We divide. Divide on what? On the number here. Divide the number in the question on the number here. Not 2,000 divided by 920. This one. Do not write like this. No, this is wrong. We divide this number on the number in the formula, which is 2,000 here. So we will do division. 9,920 divided by 2,000. 9,920 divided by 2,000. Normally division, guys. Normally division. We will go here and make divisions. عادي. Divided by 2,000 normal. We can cross this 0 with this 0. Then we can make our division. Here numbers, down, here numbers. Normal long division. The answer will be, guys, 4.96. 4.96 tons. 4.96 tons.
So just this is the answer?
Yes. Now, compare this way to the book way. Which one is easier, guys?
This.
See, this one is one step. I get the answer. Bam, خلاص, bam, تهينا. So, to turn it from pounds to tons, guys, I turn it from the smaller to the larger. I divide by the number in the formula. This number divided by 2,000, this is the answer here. So this is our answer. That's all. Shukri. Wait, Shukri, I want to unmute you. Yes, Shukri.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Can you make the division? Because I didn't remember the way that you make the division.
Mister, the division in grade 4 and 5.
I forget it.
Me too.
But I cannot now teach you how to divide. It's a big subject, you know that?
Yes.
Shukri, are you with me?
Yes, I'm
So you
with you,
need to
but
revise. You need to revise the division. But I will do this for you just to make you remember, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, look here. Look at the board and remember with me the division. Okay?
yes,
Now, this number here, we call it dividend, or dividend, right?
yeah,
And this number, we call it divisor, right?
right.
Now, here we have 0 and here we have 0. We can cross the zeros together. Got it?
Yeah,
So we have now 992 divided by 200. Okay?
mm,
Now, this 992 divided by 200, you guess a number to put it here, multiply it with 200 to get this number or more. Got it?
yeah.
Look here, when you divide 7 divided by 3, what you will put here?
The number?
Yes, here, what I will choose here?
I don't.
Shukri.
I forget.
Focus with me, Habib. Focus with me. Here, I search about a number. If you multiply it with this number, you got this number or less. What I put here?
But teacher, there's
Ya
Mr.
Mister.
Two.
Ya Mister, Shukri, are you with me?
yeah,
Guys, only Shukri talk, please. Shukri, here what I put?
2. But teacher, I will tell
2.
you some. Yeah,
What? Tell.
teacher, there is no number. Make
There is no
7.
number. Yes, I know. There is no number. You multiply with 3, you got 7. So I check or I choose the number which is less than 7. Got it?
Yeah, yeah,
Which is
yeah.
what? Which is what?
2, 6. I mean,
6. Now, 2 times 3, 6. Then we make what? Subtraction. Check.
1. Yeah,
This is the idea of the divide. I will do it here. Now here, if you check the number 4, 4 by 200, it is 800, right?
yeah,
Now, if you choose 5, 5 by 200, it is 1000. The 1000 is bigger than 992, so I cannot choose 5. Got it?
yeah.
So I need to choose the number which is less, which is here what? 4. Now 4 by
4.
200 multiply is 800. Now what I will do,
Subtraction.
yeah, let's subtract. 2 minus 0, 2. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 8, 1.
1.
Check. Now, here 192 and here 200, right?
Yeah.
This number is less than this number. Check.
Mm.
At this case, we put decimal and here we add what?
0.
This idea, we took it in grade 5. Now, 1920 divided by 200. I will guess 9. 9 by this number, 9, that's 100, 1800. Multiply normally. Then you subtract. 0 minus 0, 2 minus 0, 2, 9 minus 1, 1. Got it?
Yeah.
1 minus 1, 0. Now 120 is less than what? 200. Because I have decimal, I can add another 0 because I have decimal already, right?
Yeah.
Now 1200 divided by 200, search about 12 and 2. See? 12 divided by 2,
6.
6. But I have 2 zeros, right?
Yeah.
I 6. 6 by 200, 1200. So the answer is what?
4.96.
See it? 4.96.
Yeah.
Okay? This is how we divide. We took this in grade 5. You can keep practicing on division because it's so important, Mr. Shukri. Okay, Habibi?
Yes, I will revise it with my parents.
Okay, thank you. Now, guys, we did this example. Let's do the check under the example. Read your Shukri.
Okay.
Under the example, we have check, guys. Read.
How many yards are in 54 inches?
Good. I have 54 inches and I want to turn them to what?
2
2
yards.
yards. I have 54 inches. I want to turn them into yards. Let's
Yards.
go to our table. Do I have a direct relationship between inches and yards?
No.
No. I can turn the inch to feet, then the
Then
feet to what?
2 yards.
Now, how I turn the inches to feet?
We
Who can
divide
tell me,
the
guys? We divide. Why? Because here I'm going from inch to feet, from smaller to larger. I divide by 12. So this number 54
divided by
divided by
12.
what?
12.
12. To make them what, guys? To make them feet. Then I turn the feet to yards. Then I turn the feet to yards. So let's
Yards.
divide 54 divided by 12 here. 54 divided by 12. عادي. Now, timetable of 12, guys. 4. 4 by 12, 48. Subtract 54 minus 48 is 6.
6.
Check. Now, 6 less than 12, we can put decimal here, and here we add what? 0.
0.
Now, 60 on 12 is what? 5. 5 multiplied 12 is 60. Subtract 0. So my answer is how much?
4.5.
I turn the inches to what? To feet. Now I want the feet to be what, guys? To be yards. How? Feet, I want them to be yards. How I turn the feet to yard?
Divide by 3.
We divide by 3 because I'm going from smaller to larger. Now 4.5 divided by 3. Also we make long division. 4.5 divided by 3. عادي. Normal division. Now remember, guys, in grade 5 we divide, and when we get the decimal we put it up. Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. 4 divided by 3 is 1. Because Shukri, if you choose 2, it will be 6. 6 is bigger than 4. Now
Yeah.
1 multiplied 3 is a 3. Normal division. Ignore this decimal. I'm doing normal division. 4 minus 3 is 1.
1.
Now what I have here?
Decimal.
Decimal. Put it up. Now I get the 5 down. 15 divided by 3 is
5.
5.
5 multiplied 3, 15, subtract 0. So my answer is what now?
1.5.
1.5.
What? 1.5 what?
Yard.
Yards.
Yard.
I put my
Mister?
answer. Yes, Adnan.
Can you re-explain it so I understand better the question?
Right. Yalla, read the question again, ya Adnan. The check.
Okay. How many yards are in 54 inches?
Look, how many yards in 54 inches? Means I want to turn the inches to be what?
Yards.
Right. Do I have direct relationship here between inches and yards?
No.
No. This is the inch. I can turn it to feet, right?
Yes.
How I turn the inch to feet?
We go to the question 54 divided by 12.
After we turn it to feet, I turn the feet to what?
Yards.
Got it? So I turn the inch to feet. As you said, we divide on a 12. Here I divided by 12. See it?
Yes.
And the answer 4.5 what?
Foot.
Feet. Now
4.5.
feet. Now I turn the feet, what I get, to what? 2 yards by dividing on what you said?
3.
On a 3. I divided by 3. I make 2 divisions. First, I divided by 12 to make them feet. Then I divide by 3 to make them what?
yards.
Yards. This is my answer here. Got it?
Yes.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
This is the check, guys. See it? Copy. If you want to copy, under the example, you have, under the check, you have a space. You can copy it.
So I make it with you.
What?
Me also.
So I finish it with you.
You finish what?
The
I
check.
finish it with you.
Ah, okay. Thank you. Okay. Yalla, guys, go. Finish writing.
I finish.
Now, yesterday, guys, our homework was 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Today, you will do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Today, inshallah. You will read the questions. Now, guys, sometimes look here and focus with me like this question here. Sometimes you need to multiply. Sometimes you need to divide. Maybe you'll do multiply and divide at the same question. So be careful while you are using the table. Are you going from larger to smaller or smaller to larger? Be careful about this step, because from larger to smaller, you need to multiply. From smaller to larger, you need to divide. This is very important. Sometimes you will do multi-divisions in the same question. Sometimes you do multiplications only. Sometimes you do multiply and divide. Mister, don't talk without putting your hand, please.
Okay.
Muhammad Kamel.
So can I see the answer of check?
Wait, mister. Muhammad Kamel, where are you?
Yes, mister.
Yalla, talk. What?
I didn't understand the part that. One second.
Mister, you have echo in your voice.
We put the decimal in it.
Mister, I cannot hear you. Please.
Mister, I didn't understand the part that we put the decimal.
Mister, this is in grade 5. This is division. Okay?
Okay.
This is division. This is division. This is not our subject. Got it? I make divisions here. Long division. Which one you didn't understand it? Quickly, please. This one?
I didn't understand.
This one?
Yes.
Right. Make normal divide. Yalla. Can you tell me how we divide? Normal.
We put 4 and 5 together and we erase the decimal. 3 will.
No, yeah, mister, we don't put 4 and 5 together because 4 is bigger than 3.
1.
If this 7, yeah, mister, yes, we put 4 and 5 together, but this is not 7. This is a 3. This is less than this number, so we use only 4. It's division, guys. Grade 4 and 5, division. Yalla. 4 divided by 3, yeah, mister, come.
1.
1, high 1, normal. 1 multiply 3.
3.
Where I will put the 3?
Under the we subtract.
Under the 4. Then what I will do? We add them, right?
No subtract.
We subtract. See? Focus. We subtract. 4 minus 3.
1.
High 1. Then what I will do?
We put the 5 down.
Before I put the 5, I get what now?
Decimal.
I put it up. When I get the decimal, I put it up. Got it?
Yes.
Now I will bring the 4th down. Huh? See? 15. 15 divided by 3.
5.
High 5. Got it?
Yes.
Focus, guys. It's division. That's why when I was teaching you the division in grade 5, we did a lot of exercises, but you was playing. I know you, mister, my voice is lagging. All the time my voice is lagging. Okay, guys. Now, any questions? I can receive your questions now. يلا عدنان. عدنان.
شو بيقولوا إذا بدي يسوي من smaller لبigger؟ وشو بيقولوا إذا بدي يسوي من bigger لsmaller؟
What?
What do they say if I want to make from smaller to bigger?
Smaller to larger?
Yes.
We divide.
No. How do I know if it's smaller to bigger or bigger to smaller?
Look at the table in your book, yeah, mister. See the table?
Yes.
What is written up here in your table? In the book, what is written up?
Larger.
And here,
Smaller.
all of these are larger than all of these. Got it?
Yes.
Yani, everyone here is larger than everyone here. Got it?
Yes.
Yani, between miles and feet, which one is the larger?
The miles.
And which one is the smaller?
The feet.
Do not look at these numbers, no. I mean about 1 unit here and 1 unit here. 1 feet is larger than 1 inch. So, if the question, for example, between inch to yard, look here. Inch to what?
Yard.
Yard. Come here. هذا الانش هنا وهذا اليارد هنا. مين اللارجر؟ الانش ولا اليارد؟
Yard.
See, because the yard on the left, the inch on the right. Look here, between pent and quarter. Pent and what? Quarter. Where are they? هيهم. هاي البنت وهاي الكوارتر. The quarter is larger. The pent is what?
Is smaller.
So I go from smaller to what? To larger. From smaller to larger. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Else. Remove your hand, Adnan, so I can manage the questions.
Okay.
Hussein again. Welcome, Hussein. Hussein. Hussein, you have
Yes,
problem.
mister.
Yes, I can. Hussein,
Not
where
I have
you
a
gone?
problem, mister.
Mister,
I
where
buy
you
computer.
are? Mister, where did you gone few minutes ago?
Mister, I go the net is nothing.
طيب. Tell me, Mister, what?
Nothing.
طب why you put your hand?
Sorry.
حسين حبيبي ركز الله يسعدك ركز. عبد الرحمن عمرو. عبد الرحمن. يس عبد الرحمن.
Yes, mister.
علي صوتك
Mister,
حبيبي.
my name is Hamza, بس only my brother.
مكتوب عبد الرحمن حبيبي. أنا مش حافظ الأسماء. الله يسعدك. Rename yourself. Okay. What's your question?
What's the homework?
علي صوتك يا ابني.
What is the homework?
والله check your weekly plan حبيبي. Thank you. تميم. تميم.
Yes, mister.
Wait محسن. تميم yes.
Mister, every number in the left, it's a larger.
Not the numbers. هلا 1 is bigger than 12? No. Not the numbers. 1 feet is larger than 1 inch. Get it?
Yes.
The unit here is larger than the unit here. Get it? Not the numbers. يعني 1 larger than 3 بصير هيك؟
No.
No, I mean the unit. The unit yard is larger than the unit feet. The unit mile is larger than the unit feet. The unit cup is larger than the unit fluid ounces. Got it?
Yeah.
Good. طيب محسن. محسن, don't run. Come here.
Mister, how
Yes.
to send the homework, mister? I didn't check the.
Let's say, Mister, you open to your inbox. You have Facebook?
Yes.
But it's the same with the Facebook. If you want to send a message on Facebook, what you will do?
Mister, I didn't know, mister.
You go to the name and open it and send the message, right? Right, Mohsen?
Yes.
So, in the Classera, you'll go to my name, open the box, open your inbox and go to my name and select your picture. You make a picture for your homework and send it as you send the picture in WhatsApp, as you send the picture in Facebook عادي. You make attachment. If you don't know how, you can ask.
لسه حورجيهم.
Mister, don't talk without putting your hand, please. لا تخلوني أعصب. محسن only talk. Okay, Mohsen, Habibi. If you don't know how to select a file or to make attachment, you can ask your parents, please. Thank you. Right, Obey. Obey, where are you?
He has to go to.
علي لي صوتك يا أبي، علي صوتك حبيبي.
He had to go to the homework.
What?
No, in Classera, when you open Classera, you will see a pen.
Okay, guys. Okay. I don't know. I didn't send the homework, Obey. So, okay, whatever. You go to my name, search my name, send my message. Okay, Mishek?
No, I send it, I will go to pen, then choose the math or English or Arabic.
Okay, you choose math, sure. Mahsen, you heard Obay, right? You choose math in the homework and send your picture. Thank you, Obay. Thank you so much. Bye. Adnan, yes, Adnan, talk.
Mister, I sent the homework. I installed it on my phone Classera. I open email and send it from there.
Yeah, we have many ways. You can go to math, you can go to the mail, you can direct to send my name. I think more than one way. So, khalas, it's okay. Thank you so much, guys. Tamim, you can stop it. You can stop it. Thank you.